Hello guys, welcome once again to abhijitp.tech. Today we will be learning how to make subtitles easily in other languages. First, let us see the benefits of using subtitles in our video. If we Google search, we can see that the CTR or the view of videos increases manifold. All the results clearly shows that views increases if subtitles are present. So let's start. First, create the transcript of the video. For that, use Google Cloud Transcription, which is completely free. Go to the given link, choose the language of the VIDE and upload the video. The transcription is automatically generated. Copy the text and paste it in a text file. Alternatively, you can use TurboScribe, where daily 3 free transcriptions are allowed. Browse the file, set the language to the language of the video, and then click on Transcribe. TurboScribe will transcribe the video or audio. Then either open the transcript or go to Export Transcript and download it in the necessary required format. I will download in the text format. Open the text file and do the editing, like remove the unnecessary text and put every sentence in separate lines. For the second step, open Google Translate and translate the generated transcript to the necessary language that you want to make the subtitle. Here I have translated to English. You can translate in any language you desire. Copy the generated text in another file. For the third step, we have to generate the subtitle file whose extension is .srt. For this purpose, I will use a software called AjigSub, which I have installed previously. I will give the link in the description. It is an open source software and is completely free of cost. Import the txt file and we can see that whenever it is imported, it automatically puts every sentence in separate lines. Import the video file. You can also import the audio file as the case is. The software generates the waveform of the audio. Left will mark the start and the right click will mark the end of the particular clip. Pressing space will give the preview of that excerpt.
चांद एक सुंदर आकाशीय पिंड है. चांद एक सुंदर आकाशीय पिंड है.
Click on the green tick to put the timestamp. It automatically goes to the next part and the next line. Adjust by dragging the lines with the mouse again. Press space for the preview and then the green tick to finalize the subtitle. I have fast-forwarded the video to keep it short. Prepare the subtitle for the whole video like this.
चांद पर कोई जीवन नहीं है.
If you want a tutorial of this software, you can search in YouTube, and there are many tutorials available for this particular software.
चांद पर कोई जीवन नहीं है, लेकिन ये बहुत आकर्षक है. चांद एक सुंदर आकाशीय पिंड है. ये रात में चमकता है.
Go to File, click on Export Subtitle, then click on Export. Enter the file name and give the extension as .srt. The file will be saved as the subtitle file. If I open it with Notepad, it can be seen that the timestamp has been put. Now for the fourth and the final step. We have to upload the subtitle file to YouTube video. Go to YouTube Studio. While the video is processing, you can click on Add Subtitle and upload the required subtitle file. It should be noted that if the subtitle is in English, it gives two options, with timing or without timing. Preview the subtitle within YouTube and finalize it by clicking Done.
चांद एक सुंदर आकाशीय पिंड है। ये रात में चमकता है। इसकी रोशनी शीतल होती है।
For videos which has already been uploaded, go to Subtitle tab and then click Add Language. Add the language of your choice. For an example, I am choosing Bangla as the language, and I will upload the subtitle file which I have previously made. I will click on Upload File. Whenever the subtitle language is other than English, it is not showing the Without Timing option. If I upload it and play it, the subtitle will be activated. You can put subtitle in any language you want, and this surely will increase the views of your videos.
चांद एक सुंदर आकाशीय पिंड है। ये रात में चमकता है। इसकी रोशनी शीतल होती है। चांद का आकार बदलता रहता।
If you think the video is of any help, please support by subscribing my channel. Also like, share and comment. Thank you for watching the video. Bye till the next video.